Hi there, welcome, and thanks for choosing Class Creative's Character Design Concept Art Digital Drawing Masterclass. In this foundational course, we will be learning the fundamentals of character design concept art and everything you need to get started with character design drawing in Photoshop. We will cover the following core skill sets: how to plan the brief while utilizing reference to create a mood board, learn all the detailed insights on how to go from thumbnail planning and line sketches based on human anatomy to understanding shape language, implementing primary, secondary, and tertiary color to quickly and efficiently concept a finalized concept character from scratch. How to develop a strong foundational set of workflows to create a 100% fully concepted character from start to finish. We will also cover advanced tips on design, layer management, materials, lighting, brush economy, the importance of storytelling, and working with clients on idea changes. We'll be utilizing the latest software packages that top-tier gaming studios of today use to create all of your favorite titles. This course features an accredited university instructor creating character design concept art for studios such as the Coalition, Blur Studio, and more. Whether it be a complex, hyper-realistic character or even a weapon prop for the character, it all starts with the fundamentals, which we cover in these lectures. Enroll today and begin your journey into the exciting creative world of character design concept art. We look forward to seeing you in class.